I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Activating a SIM with Telstra is straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start, make sure you have your new SIM card, your Telstra account details, and any identification documents handy. This will make the process smoother. Step 2. Visit the Telstra activation website. Go to the Telstra SIM activation page on their official website. This is where you enter your details to activate the SIM. Step 3. Enter your SIM details. Input the 19-digit SIM number found on the card. Double check that you've entered it correctly, as a typo can delay activation. Step 4. Complete the verification process. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. This may include entering a code sent to your email or phone. Make sure you have access to the email or phone number linked to your account. Step 5. Confirm activation. Once you've completed the verification, you should see a confirmation message. Insert the SIM into your device and restart it to start using your service. If you don't see service after a few minutes, try toggling airplane mode on and off. I hope this guide helps you activate your Telstra SIM without any hassle. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Telstra customer support for assistance.